Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Daewoo brand top loading 13 kg washing machine. This machine actually is totally dead. It's not working at all. Because of that we collected from custom house to our workshop. Now I'm going to check what is the exactly problem. We will check what is the problem, why it's not working, why it's not getting switching on. We have to check A to Z now. We will go to the next step. Given power connection, but see it's not working. This is the power switch. It's not working at all. Now what we can do, we have to remove the top here, control board area. After that we can find out. First of all, we have to remove this part. After that we can check actually here any power connection, something problem. Because of that, first of all, we have to remove this part. Now we have to remove this cover. Because of that, first we have to take this part out. This is only the lock here. You can see here, don't break. Careful, we have to remove. It's like that we can remove. You can see here. After that, this one screw we have to remove. Yes, I remove it. Now what we can do, we have to turn it. It's like that. So we have to turn. It's like that. You can see here. After that we can take it out. It's very easy. Don't break. Here, after removing this screw, we have to turn anti-clockwise this circle, this round, like this. After that we can take it out. Now here screw we can remove. Here screw. After that we have to lift up little bit. It's like that it will come. Now you can see here the main control board. This one actually earlier somebody repaired this one, but now it's not working at all. Also we will remove here. We have to check here also. And now I will remove here back 2 screws. After that we can find out here so many repairs are already did. This one, we can check this fuse also. This fuse also okay, no any problem, but it's not working. We will check whether 230 power coming or not to the machine. 230 power coming or not. Just here it is 230 power already supplying to the machine. That means something wrong with the control board only. 230 power already supplying. I'm going to check here. Power supplying to the control board 230 power. Yes, it is already supplying. But machine not getting on. Now I will remove this all the screws. Also we will check the display. Now I'm going to remove all the harness from the power control board. After that we will try to repair this one, where is the exactly why is not getting, why we cannot switch in on, and we will remove the control board from the machine and we will check. Now I have to remove this all the connectors. Hi dear friends, now I already found the problem this control board. This one I already replaced this track, this two track here, one is here, other one is here. Also this IC also I already replaced here. You can see this one also I already replaced. This is I found already shorted. I'm thinking this one water gone, because of that while with the water customer select or customer given power, that's why it's gone already, this two track and this IC. Now we will give the power connection and we will check whether it's working or not. Give the power connection before fixed into the panel, it is whether working or not. And I'm giving connection again and we will check first. It should work actually now, because I already really replaced two tracks and one that is defect IC, because I already found. Because of that, now we will check again and I will give the power connection. And power connection I already given. Now all the connectors I connected. Yes my dear, it is working, but we will check. Yes, it is working. Now I will select direct spin here and I will start. Yeah, it is showing LE error because it is already door open. LE, you can see here magnet sensor here, door magnet sensor. Because of that only LE showing. Now we can check. Yes my dear, it is working. Our job already completed. Now I have to fix to the panel. You can see here. You can see the machine is running well. Now our problem already resolved. Now we have to fix permanently panel. After that we will check again. Now I have to refix to the panel and we will check. Now I'm going to fix control board to the panel. Now we will fix. Now it's okay. Also we will check again. Now it's okay. All the buttons, everything are working perfectly. You can see here. Again I will select direct spin cycle. I will close the door. We will check one cycle again. Drain pump start already. Yes, motor also working. Now it's okay. Now finally we will fix power and guard everything. So, I'm going to fix this circle here. Yes, it will. After turning like that, it will come to here lock. You can see here that screw, it will come. Yes, it is okay. Now we have to fix this cover also. Yes, it's okay. Now our job already completed. Now we have to check with the water. After that we can hand over to the customer. Checking with the water, it should work definitely. After that we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.